Were you thinking about applying for one of our boot camps and are looking through our financing options? Well, in this video, we're going to tell you how you can participate 100% free with a Bildungsgutschein issued by the Agentur for Arbeit or the Jobcenter. So, let's dive right in. First, what is a Bildungsgutschein? A Bildungsgutschein is an educational voucher. It's basically a way for the German social system to support people to train and qualify. Who is this for? Usually, it's for someone that has been working in Germany for over a year, is unemployed, and does not have a limited visa. Also, if you have a partner that has been working in Germany, or you are an EU citizen and have recently moved to Germany, or you are a recent graduate from either a university or a master's program and do not have a limited visa, and in some cases, if you're on maternity leave, and there are several other situations, the best is for you to reach out to us and let us know about your situation. We're happy to help. When should I apply? Sooner rather than later. The best would be 1 to 2 months before the start of the boot camp, as each case is different and sometimes it can take longer for a decision to be made. The best would be as soon as you're registered as unemployed or a job seeker to go ahead and apply, because your agent requires individualized paperwork to make a decision. How do I start? That depends on your situation. You would register with the Agentur for Arbeit or the Jobcenter for your district. They would then assign you an agent who you would request for a Bildungsgutschein from. Once you've already registered, you would reach out to us, as we can provide a cheat sheet folder to support you in your case. So what if they say no? The best would be is to get their reply in writing. And if you're already in the admissions process, then we can give you the next best steps to appeal their decision. However, if nothing changes, we would cancel your contract, or you can choose a different funding option. That is completely up to you, but no worries on your side. How long does it normally take? That depends from agent to agent and from district to district. The best is to reach out as early as possible in the process for us to help and to support your case. So things to know. You don't have to wait to apply. So next steps, apply now. Just to let you know, if you're using a Bildungsgutschein, the bootcamp does start earlier, so please let us know. Also, if you have any questions, then feel free to schedule a quick call with us so that we can help you through the whole entire process, or you can ask questions regarding your situation on what's the best next steps. So, I'm waiting for your call today.